When Yeshua came down from the mountain, he saw a crowd gathered, his disciples surrounded, the scribes arguing. A desperate father ran forward. "Master, my son is tormented by a spirit. I begged your disciples, but they could not cast it out." Yeshua said, "Bring the boy to me." As the spirit saw him, it threw the child into violent convulsions. But Yeshua stood unmoved, filled with the power of Yahweh. Yeshua rebuked the unclean spirit, saying, "You deaf and dumb spirit, I command you, come out of him and enter him no more." The boy lay still until Yeshua took his hand and lifted him up. The power of Yahweh had silenced the darkness once again. Later, when they were alone, his disciples asked, "Master, why could we not cast it out?" And Yeshua said to them, "This kind can come out only by prayer and fasting. Faith moves mountains, but prayer keeps them from rising again."